Hey guys, it's Diane Mary. I'm going to review some products by Boucleme today. Boucleme is an England-based curly hair brand, but they're also available on a few websites in the States as well. I've been wanting to try this brand for quite a while. Besides the packaging being really gorgeous, I have 3 products and 2 more products here. I really like that they're not formulated without ingredients I try to avoid, and they're also formulated with a lot of essential oils and extracts and stuff that's good for our hair. So all the products in this line are formulated without silicones, sulphates, mineral oil, petroleum, parabens, propylene, glycol, PEGs, phthalates, artificial colors, or fragrances. They're a cruelty-free brand too, which is really great. So I have 5 products here, so let's just get to it. I did use almost all of this stuff in my hair today. I'll get on to the details later. And this is my hair. It's like 90% dry. There's like this one little spot here that's still drying and one little spot here that's still drying, but you know, it takes forever for my hair to dry. So the first product is a hydrating hair cleanser, and it's this blue bottle over here. And what it says, it's a gentle low lather hydrating cleanser, perfect for fine hair, loose waves, and co-washers. Looking for a deeper cleanse, cleanses without upsetting natural moisture balance. So the consistency of this cleanser was really runny. Like, had to catch it in my hands and not let it slip onto the bathtub running. It did produce a really nice lather, had a nice smell to it. This one smelled minty, very nice scent to it, nice lather, especially for being sulfate free. I liked that when I rinsed it, like my hair and my scalp felt really clean, but my hair didn't feel dry at all. I still needed to follow up with conditioner, but with every cleanser and shampoo I generally do feel that need, so that's nothing new. Overall, a great cleanser that cleanses and hydrates my hair, and that's great. There's a lot of good essential oils in here for hair health, so this is a good one. Moving on, I always feel like there's not a whole lot you could say about cleansers. It's like either they cleanse and they feel nice, or they strip your hair. That one didn't strip my hair, so that was good. So moving on, let's do the regular conditioner. So this is the curl conditioner in this orange bottle over here. This ultra moisturizing conditioner penetrates the hair cuticle, leaving curls super hydrated, perfect for all hair types. And by the way guys, I've been playing with these products for a little over a month. I've been using them all together, mix and matching them with other lines too. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me tag them when I've used them a few other times. Check my blog post too. I have various wash days when I use the products as well. Back to the review. So the conditioner, this was thicker than I expected it to be, which I liked. I don't know why. I didn't think it was going to be thick, and it was, and I liked it. Let me see if I could show you. This is the consistency, and I didn't show you the consistency of the cleanser just because I'm not going to wash my hand, like get up and wash it right now, but the conditioner, pretty thick. The scent, it's a little herbally. It's not the worst. Like, I'm not an herbal fan, but it's a little herbally, but it's not the worst herbal smell in the world. Rubs into my hands without being sticky. Generally, because my hair is high porosity and super duper dry and frizzy, I don't really use rinse out conditioners as rinse out conditioners. I usually mask or deep condition every single time that I wash my hair, and then I like using regular conditioners as a leave-in. So I've been using this as a leave-in, and this makes a fantastic leave-in conditioner. I do it using the seaweed method technique. I did that video. I'll post that below if you want to check it out. Just when you put it's almost like switch to condition, when you put the conditioner in your hair, adding in more water until it feels like wet seaweed. I like to do it in small sections, and my hair just drinks it up. It's really moisturizing, detangles easily, lots of slip. I wouldn't say a little went a long way, but I also didn't need a whole lot either. It was ranged somewhere in the middle, more towards like less is more than using too much though, which is good. So really great conditioner. Moving on, we have the Intense Moisture Treatment in this beautiful purple jar. If I had to give you guys my honest feedback on performance alone, if this was just performance alone, I would say go buy this mask. It is incredible. Performance is amazing. It did an excellent job. The smell, no. The smell, I'm disappointed. So this is really strong herbal smell that actually kind of made me a little nauseous, and I feel bad saying that, but scent is a very sensitive and personal thing. People react to different smells different ways, and you also have to remember this line is natural. There is no artificial fragrance in it. Something to keep in mind. So that's kind of probably why it smells too earthy and natural for my personal liking. So what I thought, actually, my friend Sage, who's also my hairstylist, gave me the idea. She said to put pure lavender oil in it because it'll help the smell, and lavender is also a deodorizer. So I did, and I put like 20 drops of just pure lavender essential oil, stirred it, but the smell I don't care for was just overwhelming. So obviously it says on here that you could use this as a leave-in, and I couldn't, because just having it on my hair for the 20 minutes for the deep treatment, I couldn't take the scent. But like I said, I've used this twice and it does work really well. So it just says it's a deeply nourishing conditioning treatment, restores moisture, strength, and shine, revitalizing dry and damaged hair while improving curl definition and elasticity. So it's not super thick and rich like a butter. It has like a little bit more like a lotion, and it just, my hair drinks it up. My hair did like how it felt, detangled, left my hair so soft, shiny every time I used it. There's a lot of great essential oils in here. So like I said, performance amazing, scent for me not so much. So we have 2 items left. Next we have the curl defining gel in the yellow bottle over here. This is the smoothing medium hold gel, gives all day frizz control and incredible curl definition. Before trying this, I did have like a few curly friends tell me like this is a lightweight gel, it does not have a strong hold. My hair likes a really strong, firm hold gel, and that does hold true with this. I mean, this was the gel that I used today. What I used today, I went in with the cleanser, then did the mask for about 20 minutes, rinsed it out. Then I used the curl conditioner as my leave-in, seaweed technique. Then I used an oil blend, not by Boucleme because they don't have an oil blend. And then I used the curl defining gel, and then I scrunched a whole bunch and air dried. So the gel on wet hair is not enough hold for me. I mean, it gives curl definition. My curls are definitely defined today. My hair's a little puffier than I want it to be, and it's a little bit frizzier than I prefer, and that's just because I know what type of hold gel my hair likes. Not crazy about it on wet hair. That being said, on day 2, day 3, day 4 hair, this is a fantastic product to help revitalize my hair. Because, you know, depending on how hard I work out when I refresh my hair, I usually have to go in with a dry shampoo. I'll go in with a refresher spray, but depending on the time of year, the intensity of the workout, sometimes my hair is too frizzy, sometimes I need to like re-encourage a curl. So what I like about this is not only does it help the curls reform, it helps air shine, tame frizz, and give a light hold so that my day 2, day 3 hair holds up. So honestly, for 2nd and 3rd day hair, this curl defining gel is probably one of my favorite styles to reach for now. Hopefully the brand will do a firm hold gel, because based on how this works for my 2nd and 3rd day hair and just the curl potential I have, I think they do a firm hold gel really well. Also, I know this one smells really good. This one smells like sweet lemons, or if you ever like lemon heads, you know those hard candies from like the 90s in the little box? It smells like that. This smells really good. So last but not least, the one product I didn't use today is the curl cream in the pretty pink bottle. This comes with a pump. You guys know that I love products with pumps, so that's just great. This one, this smells, how does this smell? You know, scent is very, like, it's a personal thing, and it's important to me because, you know, I could get headaches easy. I have a really strong sense of smell too. So this one smells good. This one, I don't even know how to describe this. It's like sweet but not candy sweet, maybe slightly herbal but not gross herbal. So this one smells good. This is nourishing and moisture replenishing leave-in curl cream, creates soft, shiny, and well-defined curls for medium and tight curl types. So I have used it as a leave-in on wet hair the same way that I go in with the curl conditioner, and I like this really. It works really nicely on wet hair. I do like the conditioner. I think it's a little bit thicker and works a little better. But this is another product for when my hair is dry. If I need a little more moisture, it works really well. Works great day 2, day 3. I'll usually use one and the other. I don't really go for both at once. If my hair is looking particularly like more dry and kind of like just thirsty and extra frizzy, it tends to really like the curl cream. If it needs more bounce back and stuff, it likes the gel. I kind of like, I look at my hair and I can kind of tell what it wants. But honestly, if you do like using curl creams on wet or dry hair, this is really nice. I don't believe this has hold. Like, I never use creams on my wet hair alone because they just don't have enough hold for me. So yeah, that's it. So this is my hair today. This is like, the definition's there. It's just a little frizz and a little bit puffier than I want. I'm also considering with the gel, I do want to try it again in the winter because I know it's a light hold gel and I do really like strong hold gels, but it's also crazy humid outside, so I want to give this another chance when the weather changes and just to see what it does. But overall, performance wise, the line is really good, and I definitely no complaints about the performance of anything. I would rebuy most of it, and I just wish, for as good as this moisture treatment works, I just wish I liked the scent a little better. But you guys know I'm always going to be honest. I'm not going to love everything about every product. So yeah, that's it. For more, check out the blog post. If you like me, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.